Good day, teacher, student, and adjunct teacher Orlando Ramiro Sierra Duarte. Restaurant. Good morning. May I take your order? Yes, I like large order of French fries and hamburger, please. I right and would you like salad? Yes, I am green salad. Okay, one can of dressing would you like? With a vinaigrette, Italian and French. Italian, please. One would you like to drink? I like a large soda. Presentación personal. Restaurant. Good morning. Can I take your order? Good morning. Check right. Do you want something to drink? Yes, I would like wine. Today, third is a la carte fish, fried chicken, and shrimp. If it would like a la carte fish, I really like wine. I really like fish. The end, teacher. Bye bye. Thank you.